Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we got an easy, quick one we're going to show you here. Anybody can do this. It's pretty easy. So, remember how we did our grill and we tucked it all in? We just don't like the look of it. It didn't tuck all the way everywhere because there's a little shy of material, needs more stretch, etc., etc. So here's what we decided. We found something else cool on Amazon. We found these. These are honeycomb inserts. They go on with two-sided tape. And they're going to go right over it. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure our wrap is real clean for our two-sided tape. So what we're going to do is go wipe it all down, again, with isopropyl alcohol. So we're going to take this one, soak our rag down, and we know it's just going to go on the outer edge, so we're just going to do an outer edge wipe, an outer edge wipe, an outer edge wipe, outer edge wipe, edge wipe. It was pretty clean. You can see rag didn't get dirty. So that's what we're going to do with that. We're going to wipe our hands a little so they're clean. Now for these, the hardest part is going to be getting this two-sided tape started. Once you get that started, all the way around like that. Now note there's a curve on here. There's a curve on the grill. So you can put them in upside down. Basically what you do, line it up here, here, push this in really tight. There you go. So now we're just going to continue on one at a time. Ooh, there's the two-sided tape. So I thought, make sure the tape is pushed down apart. So you don't push it. We got here. Make sure we down it. Pull it off. We just pull it off here. What's this? So there you go. It's that easy to dress up your grill, make it look better. We'll go take you to a closer look. Don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss these how-to videos. Don't forget, if you use the Amazon link below, help support the channel. So please do that. Appreciate the help. Oh, this is now our look of our grill on our Jeep after we put the inserts in. You can see what that looks like. That's pretty nice. Got kind of a honeycomb look. Very simple install. Dressed it up a lot. Catch you in the next video.